I found this pineapple cutout at Hobby Lobby. It was $3.99 in the seasonal section. And of course, you always want to look for the 50% off. And I'm painting it black. Once dry, I have this stencil. I've had this stencil for a very long time. It's a distressed diamond. They're imperfect diamonds shaped. So if you Google that, you can find different stencils. I do believe I got this at Michael's. I'm not sure if they still carry it. And I'm going to be using Wise Owl Snow Owl. And I'm rolling it with the foam roller. And then you're not seeing, but I'm going over to the right and I'm rolling it on a paper towel to remove some of the paint. You want a very dry roller for your stencil. And you don't want to really press down, because when you press, that's when you get that bleed through. So you just kind of want to like lightly roll over the surface. You may have to go in different directions and just take your time filling in the white. And because it's a distressed diamond, I don't really care if it's perfect, because you're really not going to notice. I did block off the upper part of the pineapple. And now I'm taking an art brush and just creating lines and lining out the shape and the detail of the upper portion of the pineapple. Don't overthink this, guys. Your lines are not going to be perfect. You just want to, they can be broken lines. They don't have to be perfect. And then I just did like a V with a third stripe coming up the center of that V. So I believe I found this at one of the dollar stores. It's just a circle. You can get these even in the unfinished section. This one happened to have a butterfly on it. I am priming it to block out that butterfly. I'm filling the hole with some wood putty by Elmer's glue. It's Elmer's wood putty. And then I'm going to go ahead and put another coat of primer on this. And this is just going to block out the butterfly, and you're not going to see that I filled in the hole. Once that dried, I'm taking Goldenrod by Wise Owl and covering the entire circle. And I believe I did 2 coats. I found these stencils at Michael's. It's the new stencils. It's called Sign Shop. They are mesh stencils. And this one has just different wording. Family gather, home. I think it has let's stay home. And I grabbed the home. And I'm just going to apply this like we do our Maker Studio stencils. And I'm using a Maker Studio's black chalk paste. And you're going to make sure you wash your stencil right away and dry it upside down, sticky side up on a dry paper towel. I'm going to take some Elmer's glue. This is Elmer's wood glue. And just a little bit of hot glue for instant hold. And I'm going to put my sign in the center of my pineapple. I'm going to take these ribbon. I have these laying around. There was a black and white zigzag and a polka dotted sheer green type ribbon. I'm going to first tie that around the neck of the pineapple. And I took a little piece of greenery and hot glued that just underneath the ribbon so it hung down into my sign just a tad. And I just tied that ribbon with one tie. And then I'm using the excess tie to tie in my 2 pieces of ribbon, the black and the polka dot. And I'm putting a little glue under that knot just to make sure everything holds and the ribbons don't come undone. And then I'm just going to take my pinking shears to trim back my ribbon. And then I'm going to replace the jute hanger that came off the top when we started. And there you go. Now you have this cute home pineapple. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.